guys, welcome back to my channel, Brwnsugrbaby. So I am doing an install of the Faux Locs, and I'm doing a different technique because I cannot get my crochet needle to go under my braid and attach the hair. So if you're interested in seeing the alternative method, keep watching.
Wrap it around the top of my hair because I have my hair in like little sections, and then I take my trusty Eco Styler gel, which I'm supposed to use my beeswax gel that I was supposed to make, but I didn't know I was going to be doing this today. It was like a last minute thing. So I just wrap it around my hair. I'm wrapping my hair around the faux loc. This is the only way that I can get this to work. I had to keep opening up the braid to get my so this is the best way for me. So basically wrapping my hair around until I have no hair left, and it looks just like so I just got this part left. I had to add an extension to this one because I don't have no hair right there for wigs. So that's an extension. But yeah, I just got this left. Make it like this.
It's probably better to make sure that your hair is separated really well, like with a clip or something, to avoid sections getting into your twist, because that will cause hair breakage. So as you can see, I had to undo that portion and redo it because the section had got into that particular twist. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I appreciate you.